Making vanilla extract is way easier than what you might think. It's 2 ingredients, vanilla beans and vodka. Or you could also use like a spiced black rum to give it a different flavor. We're gonna take grade B vanilla beans, and you can order these online. We have a link down below. And you're going to take a bottle of vodka is what I have here. And I like the ones that have a cork in them. It makes it easier later on when you need to shake it. You're gonna wanna take a little bit out, and I'm gonna make some big bottles of it, but I'm also gonna make this little gift bottle. I have a little tiny bottle, so it's a great way to use that top portion of the vodka. And you're just gonna take some of it out, and that's gonna leave room for the actual vanilla beans, which we're going to put into the bottle. And all you're doing is adding the vanilla beans into the bottle. You can slice them if you want, but this is something that you're going to make now but use later. It will need about 6 months to really get the vanilla portion of the extract that you want for baking. So we're gonna add in, about 10 to 12 beans into a bottle. And don't forget to put some in your little guy. And that I might have to break apart to get them to fit. So I have the vanilla beans inside the bottle. You can see this will make a cute little gift. I'll just put a little tag on there of when the use date will be. And this one I'm going to seal up, shake it around a little bit, and I'm going to date it. So make sure that you put your date on there. So I'm going to put the date that it is. That way I remember when I made it. And we're gonna put that in a cool, dark area. And you can see this one has been sitting for quite some time and ready to be used. And I just keep adding the beans back into other jars. You can use those vanilla beans for like a cheesecake or anywhere you need that vanilla bean seed. Otherwise, the vanilla extract itself is all set to go. This one has been sitting since July of this year, and you can see the color difference in it. Now, how do I choose which bottle of vodka to use? I choose it determining on what is my shelf in my kitchen. These are a little bit shorter, so if they're much taller, then they won't fit right. So for me, these work out great. This one here is a Bermuda rum, and it gives a different flavor. You can do a spiced rum and put the vanilla beans in and use it at Christmas time. It's a wonderful way to use that vanilla extract with a different flavor to it. Once it's ready, you can use it equal parts. So if it calls for 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, you can use 1 tablespoon of your homemade vanilla extract. And it's just that easy. The vanilla beans themselves use the grade B. Grade A is for cooking if you're going to be using those beans right away. Grade B is great for the extracts, and they're a little bit cheaper, so that's a bonus to it. And just like that, you have vanilla extract in about 6 months with 2 ingredients. Use that for your baking and you'll save a ton of money, and it tastes so much better. Enjoy this and other recipes at Sharky's Greenhouse on our YouTube channel. Have a great day.